Got out of my first aid class. Y'all, why is first aid challenging for me? I have a lot of trouble with not even hand-eye coordination, but yeah, low-key hand-eye coordination. It's really hard for me to take head knowledge and then execute it physically, which is why I think it takes me a while to learn dances. I'll be watching the video on how to perform CPR and it'll make sense in my head, but then when I'm executing it IRL, I'm the most awkward, slow person at it, so it's really embarrassing, but I'm gonna consider going to office hours for PE. I don't even know if my professor does office hours because I don't know if anyone's ever struggled the way that I am right now. I'm currently in the comms building. I swear there's a specific aesthetic to this building. The comms students have very good style and fashion. Let's get the smoothie that I ordered. Guys, whenever I see Sephora in the USC Village, I want to go so bad.
I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm actually using a new laptop in this video. It's a laptop powered by Snapdragon. I'm actually so excited about it. It's been so nice to start the school year off. The new computer that I can use for school and content, because I just really want to stay on task. My goal for this school year is to not be texting and doing random things during class, to actually be locked and dialed in so that when I'm not in class I can actually focus on content. I've just found myself to be much more productive doing that. So thank you Snapdragon for partnering with me on this video. Using this laptop powered by Snapdragon, I literally never run out of battery, which is super helpful because sometimes I forget to bring a charger to class and it's just kind of awkward asking everyone for chargers, and then also sometimes the outlet is not even close to you in a big lecture hall. But the processor and amazing battery life also makes it super easy for me to multitask, to switch between tabs, and to do all the things I need to do while having 6 classes. These laptops are built for students and creators who need reliability and speed. Laptops powered by Snapdragon have crystal clear video and high fidelity sound. It's actually so nice because my laptop actually opens with Face ID and it happens so fast. It works so well. These laptops also have an AI co-pilot feature, which is super helpful because if I just want a quick definition of something that's talked about in lecture, I literally press just one of the buttons on my keyboard. For me, it's this one, and then it literally pulls up the AI co-pilot. The laptop can run 45 trillion operations per second of AI performance. So it's perfect for real-life tasks, even video editing, using CapCut, and it's also super easy to run all these apps while also running Zoom. I will not be caught hosting a meeting where my computer is slow. And I love how my laptop powered by Snapdragon is so lightweight and just easy to carry around. I mean, I'm not the super cool type skater girl who can just skate holding her laptop, but I don't really worry about dropping the laptop because it feels like it's very firmly gripped in my hand. So get your next laptop powered by Snapdragon for the school year. I really love Tuesdays and Thursdays because I don't really have academic classes, I would necessarily say, at my first aid class and also a ballroom dance class, so it's a good break from all my finance classes and my marketing class. And tomorrow I'm actually heading to Joshua Tree in California for a work retreat, but I'm just gonna get my ducks in a row before I go and try to get some schoolwork and content work done. I don't really have the whole stressful recruiting process over my head, so I've been feeling pretty free recently. I'm gonna clean soon, but before I'm gonna go to FedEx to pick up a package. I ordered these going out boots, or just boots in general, and they finally came. My package is not yet ready. I was looking forward to it, guys, and it's okay. I've been trying to be really proactive about cleaning the kitchen, cleaning dishes right after I use them. My roommates and I are really good about this. Honestly, dishes do not rack up in our sink. I feel like with roommates, dishes can be a huge, contentious issue, so I'm just trying to be the best roommate I can be and try to be considerate of it.
I'm about to meet my friend Arjun for some coffee. He's also a content creator. He's actually an international student from India, which is super interesting. But I swear I see him all over campus. I'm always bumping into him. Low-key, I'm really not hungry or thirsty right now since I had a lot of pasta and some liquid IV, but I always feel really guilty if I'm like gonna meet up with someone and I don't order anything because I don't want them to feel like them ordering stuff is a burden. Like if you go to a cafe, I don't want to be like, oh, I don't want anything, but we can still go. Because I low-key don't like when people do that to me because then I'm like, I feel guilty for wanting something. So I think I'm just gonna get like a $3 pastry that I can eat another other time. Wait, Arjun still isn't here, so I'm just gonna get in line. Oh, hey. This is Arjun. Can you give a quick description of who you are, how we know each other?
I'm Arjun. I'm a sophomore. I'm a PR major.
This year in college, I'm trying to figure out what type of routine I want to have. I think I'm naturally a morning person. In high school, I woke up so early, so if you've watched my high school vlogs, you would know, but this year is all about community, spending time with my friends, so I think I'm shifting to more of a night owl schedule. Considering that I got so humbled in intramural soccer, it is time to call it a night. I seriously cannot wait for Joshua Tree tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get as much sleep as possible because I've definitely not been running on the most. Today, I forgot a few of my close friends' names. That is a red flag. And not like close. It was mainly other friends trying to recall my close friends' names and I wouldn't be able to. It was not flocking to me. Anyways, good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching.